like usual problem with mic. Okay, it's about like a 12-volt compressor fridge. It's a bit different than fitting than freeway fridge and much simpler. I bought this fridge on eBay. This is the video with review of this fridge, simply review, and I wanna fit into this panel. How you see, this fridge is not flush mount type, this sticking corner when you open the door, so means this fridge have to stick out about 5 centimeters from the furniture. I don't like it from few different reasons, and I wanna make the flush mount anyway. So instead of buying the flush mount panel, it's made from tin, steel or aluminium, and it costs sick money. I just left the gap on the left side and prepare the packer to screw the fridge to the sides. When you buy this flush mount panel, you have to leave the gap on the both sides, so doesn't make a big difference. And of course the packer from the scrap wood is much cheaper. I make this space 15 mil wider, can be a bit less, that doesn't make sense to make a bit more. I just make it to open the fridge door more than 90 degree, because with 90 degree only you usually have a problem to take out the bottom compartment, drawer or something like that. I have wiring ready. It's going to future fuse box, and I made it with 4 square mil wires. Right now I have to fit worktop because it's not enough space over the fridge to the worktop. I left only 10 mil gap just to air circulation, so I have to do it right now. We have to remember, so when we fitting 12, anyway, not 12 compressor fridge, this is radiator on the back, we have to provide air circulation from area behind the fridge to inside the van. With freeway gas fridge, we usually make this area gas tight, airtight, because of fumes, gas, etc. In this case it's just the opposite. The bigger problem is when you converting from freeway to compressor, but it means you have to consider, so such a problem exists. Because this fridge have wiring quite long, but not long enough to connect straight to the fuse box, and I don't wanna make connectors in such a random places, because always create problems. Connectors should be accessible, so I just chop this wiring 30 centimeters behind the fridge, and I connect to these ready connectors which was on the wall. Means connector will be accessible because it will be even not behind the fridge, it will be below the fridge, behind the drawer area. So just you pull out the drawer and you have access to the connector. And also later I will talk about fuse. Okay, because this fuse is hard accessible and I wanna it connected to the fuse box anyway, so I don't wanna chop it here, I wanna leave it. But what I wanna do, I wanna replace this 15 amp fuse with slightly bigger, just to be sure, so this fuse will not blow when I connect everything. So we have like a electrical connections. Like I said earlier, I prepare kind of packer to left the gap on this side of fridge where the hinges is, but I think we can fit it later on. What's called label killer. Always when I need something, it shows, so I left it in the workshop, or if I need it in the workshop, it shows I left it inside the van. Maybe I can remove it without any chemicals, but I don't want to take a risk. Perfect. This is chemicals for removing labels. So usually it removing labels, but sometimes it can remove something more. Not everything what we want to remove. Okay, because it's not proper flush mount. It's always worth to check if it's open the doors to the maximum. We can like take out the bottom compartment. Okay, this is going out. Can we slide in this packer? Yes, easily. To tell the truth, it's a bit too loose. But problem is, this fridge have like a doomed screws on the sides and in place of these screws. So I make this packer, and because I'm lazy, I just make the edges in black. It's enough to be not visible and that's it. Okay, nothing new, because we screw fridge to the furniture through these holes. Yeah, and always it's worth to check how long have to be screws. Okay, so this plus 20. I think 20 will be too long. Okay, I can take the vernier. Okay, this, because this. Okay, let's try. too long bit. You see? So right now the fridge is fitted, is connected, of course not connected to the battery because there's no battery, but is fitted, and we can start next things in this area. Here will be just opposite.